Hello my friend, this is Uncle Misha and welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronics, and today we're gonna look at this LADDA 2450 milliampere hour battery. So these are newer batteries from Ikea because the previous version I don't have them. I have only like tiny one AAAs, which are 900 milliamp hours, and they were white. These guys are, I don't know, sort of tan color-ish, and this is apparently a newer version, and they are, I think, similar to Eneloop Pros, if not the same. So what I'm gonna do today, well, obviously many of you already probably played with them and know they actually probably work pretty good. So what I would like to do, I have this lacrosse charger. I would like to run a few cycles through them and see what their real capacity. I'm pretty sure a key product are good and they are usually running 2450, but still these are brand new. I want to charge them, discharge them, and see what is their capacity. So stay with me. I'm gonna run this for some time and then we're gonna talk about the results. So here's my lacrosse charger. It's not connected obviously right now, so I'm gonna move it to another part of my bench, but essentially I'm gonna just pop this here. And I'm gonna test the capacity of this guy, maybe do charge refresh and test capacity again and see what I end up with. By the way, I'm probably gonna make a separate video on this lacrosse charger. I like it a lot. It serves me probably already for probably a good 10 or 11 years. Yeah, this is lacrosse 9009, really good stuff. Okay, stay tuned. We'll be back with you soon, or I mean in a few days. Okay, about 9 months have passed since I've done this. So unfortunately I lost this video, well, previous blocks of the video, and now I return back to it. So as you see, what I've done here, I'm using this lacrosse BC9009 charger. I ran tests and figured out the capacity of those batteries, and I created stickers and I put every capacity of each battery and numbered them and the date when it was first time measured. So here we are. This is the individual capacity of each battery here, and as you see, they are really good. Especially this one is pretty much larger, you know, than it's supposed to be. You know, this is 2.36, this is 2.43, and this is 2.42. So looks like they are bang on. And and I already been using these batteries for a while, like about 9 months. So they were used in a flash, in the camera flash in Canon EX500. So they were actually performing very well and they holding charge very well. So definitely guys, these batteries are bang on, and for about 9 months of use, they were not used obviously every day, but for 9 months of use and probably, you know, about 10 maybe 14, let's say, let me kind of think about it. Yeah, charging cycles, they still going strong. Obviously they're supposed to go for much longer than that, but here we are. So I definitely would recommend this battery. If you get them in Ikea and if you go to Ikea and you need batteries, buy these LADDA 2450. There are also cheaper ones, 1900s. Haven't tried those. I will definitely gonna give them a run because I still have a whole bunch of smaller capacity batteries which are about the same. For example, these guys. All right, so here's that's my previous version of marking them. This is still going strong, so I have a whole lot of this. I bought them whole pack, probably, I don't know, 16 or something. So yeah, I don't need to go for 1900, but 2450 are really good. So guys, that's gonna be it. Definitely recommending these batteries. Looks like they are will be good batteries for my projects and for the flashlight. Yeah, please stay tuned for more battery tests, and if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.